Hello and welcome to Krista So Crafty. My name is Krista. So today is December the 4th and today is day 4 of our Advent calendar. Just to show you again all the little boxes that are there. So far, I've been very impressed with the little items that we've gotten so far, and I'm excited to see what is in the little box for December 4th. So it's right here. I don't know what it is, but let's open it up and see. Oh my goodness. Those are cute. So these are little, what do you call them? Little gift tags. So there's one that says Happy Holidays. There's a wreath. There's a present. A little bauble for the tree, and some little candy canes. Those are really cute. So there's a little hole thing here. I'm just going to punch out and take out that little piece so that we can tie them onto a little ribbon or something. So these would be great if you you could use markers on them. So yesterday we got the blue and the like a peachy color. Not really Christmas colors, but you could use those on these, or you could use whatever markers you have. You could paint on them. Now there is a bit of it's like a sheen. I'm not quite sure if you can see it. I can feel it. So I don't know if just regular paint would stick on there very well, but you absolutely could just use some markers. So I think what I will do, I'll get rid of this. They're so cute. So they'd be very cute. So you could color the one side, and then you could write on the back side to and the from. Those are kind of cute. And then you could tie some little ribbon on there, and they'd be great to put on presents. And again, the Happy Holidays. They're very cute. So I think I'm going to go find some markers and we'll color on one. I'll be right back. Okay, I just grabbed a few markers. See, just like a couple greens, a pink, a red, and a blue. Which one are we gonna do? Let's do the present. So with this, you know, like I said, you could use those as tags, which is very cute. And you could use markers, you could use pencil crayons, you could use so many different options. You could watercolor on here, but again, I don't know how well the watercolor would hold on, because it does feel like there's a bit of a, like I said, like that a sheen or a slipperiness to it. Because even with these markers, they're not wanting to color real nice, but that's okay. So what about you? Have you started your Christmas shopping? I mean, it is December 4th and all, so, you know, I hope that you're on your way to getting your shopping done. I'm getting there. I've got a few more to go, but it shouldn't take me too long. So all I'm doing is I'm just going to go between rows here and color these in and see if we can make a pretty little paper for our box. So that's what I've done so far. And then I think we'll do red on the other ones. You know, I should have brought like a gold or some sort of a yellow, like a deep yellow maybe. And then it could have been used as what is that called? The ribbon to go around the box, right? But that's okay. I will use what I have here. We will make this a very colorful little present. And I don't know about you, but that's one thing that I love about Christmas and whatnot, is you get all the presents under the tree and you get all the different kinds of wrapping paper and all the different styles of wrapping. There's bags and boxes and all different things. And it just makes it look so cool under the tree. Okay, so let's get the lid on that. So there's that so far. It's looking very festive. And now I think I'm going to go in with a green. We're going to have, it's going to be very colorful, like I said. So I'm just going to color this top band in the green, like so. I think that's going to look just nice. My husband has been home today, and so he's busy right now making a supper, and he's made stew, a pot of stew. It smells amazing here. When I come in from work, oh my goodness, immediately the glands started going, and it's like, oh, it just made my mouth water. And now he's upstairs making some baking powder biscuits as well. So we are going to eat very good tonight. We always eat good, but we're definitely going to eat good tonight. All right, get this last little piece, and I think I will use the same green. And I'm going to go down this way, just because. I thought about using the lighter green, and then I decided that no, we'll just use the same green. What are you having for supper tonight? Anything special? Is it a special night? Some people, you know, have spaghetti night or a chili night or taco nights. We do that once in a while. This felt is not coloring the best, this green. It's almost like it's drying out. It's very strange because the other ones have been fine. All right, there we go. There is our colorful little present. I'm not going to sit here and color all of these on the camera, but I will color them, and then I will use them this Christmas on various little gifts for various people, and it's going to be wonderful. Trying to get them all so I can hold them in my hands and show you them all. There we go. There you go. So what do you think? I think these were a fun little addition to the Christmas Advent calendar, and I'm very happy with them. I hope you enjoyed this little video, short and sweet again, but we will see you back for day 5, which is tomorrow, and who knows what's going to be in that one. Thank you again, and happy crafting.